Welcome to Study Loop.
In this problem, we have been given that there are two objects. One is a light object and the other one is a heavy object. So we are talking about light and heavy object in terms of their masses. So let's consider small m as the mass of the light object and capital M as the mass of the heavy object. So definitely the mass of the heavy object is greater than the mass of the light object. Also, it's been given that they both have same kinetic energy. So the expression of kinetic energy is half mv square. So that means half times the mass of this light object times the square of the velocity of this light object. Let's take that as VL. And that's equal to half times the mass of the heavy object times the velocity square of this heavy object represented as VH square. And from here we need to determine which one would have higher momentum. So from this expression, we can observe that if we multiply the respective masses in the numerator and denominator, we observe that the expression can be modified such that the momentum of light object square divided by 2m is equal to the square of momentum of the heavy object divided by 2 times of its mass. So we can cut 2 from both the sides, and we observe that PL by PH whole square, that is equal to m by m. And from this expression where we talked about light object and the heavy object, small m by m, that's less than 1. So definitely here PL by PH whole square of that will be lesser than 1. And PL square is lesser than PH. That means PL here will be lesser than PH. That means here the light object will be having lesser momentum and its higher object will have greater momentum.